डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू शोमेन नाथ्स यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं एक बढ़िया खबर लेके आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के लिए। तो चलिए, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट। See, this is the latest notification or the circular which was given by UGC. So let me zoom it first. Yes, this is the one. Now you can see the date over here, like it is 17th of April 2020, that means today. And issues related to examination and academic calendar. Dear Madam or Sir, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, the UGC has issued a number of guidelines, advisories to educational institutions from time to time. In order to contain its spread, however, it is necessary to continue with the teaching learning process through various modes while maintaining social distancing, health and safety of all concerned. Some of the initiatives are taken by UGC in this regard. तो इसके साथ if we go for the main part, we can see that there is a part. This is the last part which I would like to mention, that it is observed that in the present situation, our stakeholders have expressed their concern about the examination and possible delay in next academic calendar. Taking note of all the genuine concerns of the students, teachers, parents and institutions, UGC has already constituted an expert committee to deliberate on the issues related to examination and academic calendar and submit the recommendations. The committee is expected to submit its recommendation shortly. The UGC, after due consultation with the Ministry of Human Resource Development, will issue appropriate guidelines based on which the universities or colleges may check out their plan. They chalk out their plan of action to address the above issues and other related uh, exigencies. So, with kind regards, this is the Rajneesh Jain who sent this letter to different universities, vice chancellors, etc. So I repeat that this part is very important, since I already told you UGC is very much concerned and UGC officials are working on it. And let me tell you very honestly, within a few days of time, maybe 3 4 or maximum 5 days of time, you are going to get something solid from the UGC as well as AICT for the examination purpose. So how the examination will be conducted, how the students will give their examination, everything practical and theoretical, everything will be taken consideration. And it will be a humanitarian approach from UGC, AICT as well as Ministry of Human Resource Development all together. So let's hope for the best. And please don't worry, don't panic, because within a couple of days, as I am telling you, maximum 5 days, you're going to get something very solid. So all the best for the good news which is upcoming for you all, and it will be definitely for the betterment of the students. Let me zoom it for those who want to have a screenshot, though the resolution is a little bit less over here, because otherwise the MBs are getting more, so that's why I have to take it in a 720 into 1080 resolution. So anyhow, with this, thank you. And one more thing I would like to add, that this is I already shown it to you, the All India Council for Technical Education. Don't believe in rumors. So just wait and watch. This is matter of time, 3 to 4 days, maximum 5 days. So with this, thank you very much. If you like my channel, do subscribe for the fastest news, right information, right time with proof. Thank you very much. All the best.